You've got us in a tractor beam! Let's get out of here! Awesome, Penny! Watch out!
So we were at the park and we had guns to do. We had light guns we shoot it and
On the Lost Kingdom Adventure.
yes, a Lost Kingdom adventure. And we shooted all kinds of monsters. And then we were in a Jeep.
What do we have here?
We were in a Jeep in a tunnel or something.
Yes.
We were in like a little Jeep, like we were in a Chevy truck.
Yeah, there's
I'm
lots of
recording on my camera, William.
Okay, sweetie.
William. I said, I'm recording on my camera.
Oh, I should be quiet then, huh?
Okay, here comes the coaster.
Right hand.
Yeah.
How's that?
Yes. Why does it say warning?
Because see, right here, look.
Yeah.
See the dinosaur?
Yeah.
There you go. Point your camera at the dinosaur.
And welcome to Australia Zoo. Mate, every single thing you see here today, myself and my mum and dad built from the ground up. And Terry and I, well, we're just continuing the family tradition. Please, come and have a look at the things we love the most.
There we go.
Our animals. Let's have a look.
We're not expecting that, were we? Yeah, after this one.